A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, Jesus did love tell a whole heap of story. More you listen to that one here and tell me if you think you see yourself in that story. Think about it good. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And of course, if you not click the subscribe button yet, now is a good time for go and click the subscribe button and the notification bell for make sure say you not miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 12 from verse 1 to verse 12. Then Jesus talked to them and tell them the story. You did have one man where he plant one grape farm. Him put up one wall all around it, dig out one hole in the ground for crush out the grape them for make wine, and build up one place on top of the wall for the guard to watch over the farm. Then him rent it out to some farmer and go foreign. When at the time for gather up the grape, he send one of his servant go the tenant them to go get him share. The tenant them grab the servant, beat him up, and send him away with him too long hand. The owner send one next servant, but the tenant them beat him up in him head and diss him bad. The owner still send one another servant, but them kill him. Him send enough more servant, but them beat some and kill the rest of them. The owner did have only one somebody left who him could have sent. Him one boy pitney where him love bad. So him send him to the tenant them, cause him say, them will respect my boy pitney. But the tenant them said to them one another, that one you go get everything when his father dead. Come make we kill him. That way there, when his father dead, we are go get everything where him shouldn't get. So then grab him, kill him, and fling him body off of the farm. Jesus asks, so what do you think the owner for the farm are going to do? He might go come and kill off the tenant them and take the farm, give other people. Una never read or write down in a God word. The rock stone the builder fling way. It all up the building now. And the Lord do this. And we are open up wide when we see the sitting where him do. The leader them did want to lock up Jesus. Cause them know say really them him did a talk about. But them did afraid of the crowd of people. So them go away left him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.